Stop wasting time in the kitchen and home. Every day, we spend hours cutting vegetables, cleaning walls, fixing clogged sinks, and organizing cabinets. But what if smart tools could do most of the hard work for you? Today, I will show you 5 powerful home and kitchen products that are designed to make daily life faster, easier, and more comfortable. And trust me, the number one product surprised me the most and can completely transform your daily kitchen routine. Let's begin. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel, Home Zigo. If you enjoy discovering smart home and kitchen gadgets that actually work, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I've carefully selected the top 5 home and kitchen products that are trending right now. These products are popular because they save time, reduce effort, and improve everyday efficiency. All items on this list are highly rated by real users and are suitable for daily household use. So, without wasting any time, let's start with number 5. At number 5, we have the electric garlic and fruit peeler. Peeling garlic, potatoes, and fruits may seem easy, but doing it every day can be tiring and time-consuming. This smart device completes the job in just 20 seconds. It works quietly, has strong peeling power, and is extremely simple to use. All you need to do is place the food inside, close the lid, and press one button. According to customer reviews, it can peel potatoes in only 12 seconds. It is also very easy to clean, which makes it perfect for daily kitchen use. With a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5, this peeler is an excellent solution for people who cook regularly and want to save time. At number 4, we have the professional drain unblocker cleaning tool. Blocked sinks and sewer pipes are one of the most common household problems. Most people rely on chemical cleaners, but those chemicals are expensive, harmful, and unsafe for long-term use. This manual drain auger provides a safer and more effective solution. It features a flexible steel cable that can extend from 5 meters up to 15 meters, allowing it to reach deep blockages. The strong mechanical handle gives excellent control, making it easy to remove hair, grease, and food waste. This tool is reusable, durable, environmentally friendly, and saves money over time. Customers say it cleared stubborn clogs quickly and worked better than expected. It has a solid rating of 4.5 out of 5. At number 3, we have the double-layer pull-out kitchen storage rack. Many kitchens suffer from limited storage space, especially under the sink. This rack is designed to maximize unused areas and keep everything organized. It features a stable, non-slip base, strong structure, and 2 smooth pull-out drawers. The additional hooks allow you to hang brushes, cloths, and cleaning tools. Users love how neatly it organizes bottles, detergents, and accessories. Many buyers said it fit perfectly inside their cabinets and made their kitchen look cleaner. With a rating of 4.2 out of 5, this storage rack is an excellent solution for cluttered spaces. Coming in at number 2 is the 360-degree rotating wall cleaning mop. Cleaning ceilings, windows, tiles, and high walls is usually difficult without a ladder. This mop comes with stainless steel extension rods that can be adjusted from 25 inches up to 85 inches. The triangle-shaped mop head rotates fully, allowing it to reach corners, edges, and narrow gaps easily. It supports both dry and wet cleaning and includes multiple microfiber and chenille pads. Users say it allows them to clean every corner safely without climbing. With an excellent rating of 4.9 out of 5, this mop is one of the best wall cleaning tools available today. And now the number 1 product on today's list, the 5-in-1 electric vegetable slicer machine. This powerful 250-watt device can slice, shred, grate, and cut vegetables automatically within seconds. It works perfectly for carrots, cabbage, radish, cheese, and salad preparation. Compared to manual cutters, this machine is much faster and requires far less effort. Users report smooth cutting performance and excellent results every time. The parts are easy to separate after use, making cleaning quick and effortless. Its compact design also makes storage simple, even in small kitchens. With a strong customer rating of 4.8 out of 5, this is the most useful kitchen gadget on the list. So that was our list of the top 5 home and kitchen products. These smart tools are designed to save time, reduce effort, and make everyday life easier. You can find all product links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.